So this is expected assists of a player. So you can see he has good expected assist, and expected assist means that the player passes and the striker scores. So the club would play this player more, and other teams would spend more money to buy this player. Like here you can see he has more better expected assists per 90 minutes than Lionel Messi. So he would be more sought after, and the club would play him more. I talked about in the presentation, we will visualize it to evaluate player performance and teams and statistics analysis, a comparison during using different metrics. So these visualizations are for that. So let's import pandas as PD, numpy as NP, matplotlib as PLT, and seaborn as SNS. We'll be using mostly seaborn. So we have given the link of the dataset, and we have loaded the dataset in our Colab. So this is goals and assists, goals and passes. We can see as the number of goals are increasing, players have less passes, red cards and yellow cards. So in different aspects of the game, these statistics and visualizations can be used during the match and after the match to evaluate. So this is heat map of a forward player. So you can see his appearances and comparison of his appearances and goals. So it's pretty good. This is low. Assists and appearances are low because it's a forward. So with this we can compare how good a player's statistics or a group of player statistics is. Here for midfielders, a heat map has a lot of data to give to the data analysis team. For defenders, this is a heat map. Now we'll drop some features, and this is a box plot. This shows the middle value where it lies for different features. Similarly, a violin plot. Now after dropping some features, what we are going to do is we are going to make these features have been dropped so that for a particular position we can find the statistics and the visualization, like clearances, headed clearances, saves, clean sheets. This is for goalkeeper. This is the heat map of a goalkeeper. You can see the goalkeeper has conceded some goals with his appearances, but he's made saves here as well. He's good with punches. So against a team which plays in a way that the goalkeeper has to punch the ball out, we can use a group of players like this. I have very little time. I'll just go through that. This is a kernel density plot for different visualizations. I've made player plotting. I've made position-wise visualizations here as well. Okay, so now we do a linear regression model. We make a linear regression model to predict how certain features of a player or a particular position are. Before that, we made some visualizations of a position compared to other aspects. Yeah, so we've shown the Y as goals and X as shots, passes, tackles, and crosses. We've imported the trend split. We've imported linear regression. We fitted in the data, and we have coefficients of small value, and we can